I don't know what to play. That's a people point. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Wait, hold on, let me start my intro. What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today we're playing is FIFA 17 pack opening, and today so I'm gonna not packs. I didn't want to go drafts. Oh my god! I didn't want to go packs, but I got 99 really crazy. Okay, this is gonna be a bad, very, very, very bad draft because I have no idea. But this draft is getting the coolest one ever. It's 10? Cristiano Ronaldo, Jesus freaking Christ. CM. Okay, that one. Miller. Oh no! Wait, do I go home? Yeah. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna finish. Wait, no. 150. No way. Okay, fine. I'm gonna simulate that. Oh my god, we're gonna win. We won! Finally! Let me just plug this charger in because my battery's gonna be low. And you're gonna need to screw off. So we total won. We're gonna lose. Yeah, we lost. Cruz! How dare you! Who won? My god, man, they always win. Okay, now it's time for special pack. Now, who's gonna be our special pack?
Me.
No, not you. Stupid ass. Okay, this is gonna be right. So. Don't cry, boy. Don't cry. I'm gonna kick your ass. Okay, that's the worst. Oh, we got a legend. Wait, who is it? I forgot. Wait, I didn't saw. Who was it?
My mom.
Shut the fuck up. Who is it? Where is it? Oh my god! Oh my god, mate. Oh my god, I got 88 rated killing. Shut the freak up, you're so dumb. Shut up. Oh, okay, I got that, yeah. Okay, ready, reinform. Oh, we told it. It's not a freaking walkout, it's Harry Eriks. He looks a lot like Harry Kane. He looks a lot like a girl. He looks a lot like a SpongeBob, money. He looks like a lot like a SpongeBob. Hamlet, you look like a freaking bonehead. Okay, so one more pack and I'm out. Modric. Oh my god! 87 rated. Oh my god! We're so dead. Look at Ribery Moy. Look at, we have an even Chinny player, my name. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep because I'm freaking tired, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.